Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable auto scroll on TikTok on iOS. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for the TikTok, you do not need a certain setting from a specific from your device. From iOS, indeed, you just need to have an updated TikTok version. So you're going to go to the App Store, type in TikTok, search it up. Then once you find your app, make sure it's updated. So you're going to quickly update your particular app and wait for it to be completed. Once you're done, tap on open, and once the app opens, then once you have a video and you want an auto scroll to be turned on, you just simply have to long press on the screen, and then you will find this option of auto scroll. Once you do that, just wait for this particular video to end, automatically scroll, and you will see this particular sign, and once you tap on it, it will disable the auto scrolling as well. That's all it takes. You just have to long press on the screen of the video, turn this toggle on, and it will start auto scrolling by itself. And it does not matter if you have iOS or Android, it will work on any device. And if you want to turn it off, go ahead, tap on it, and there you go. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.